Oh, just play it. It's fun.
I think I recognize it from a website.
Enough chewing your gum and just start, like, you know, play the game. And don't touch the black, okay?
Why?
Just try to touch the red, but you can only go in between the blue. It's not hard. It's not hard.
Yes, it
Just do it. Just do it. You're gonna be fine.
It is hard.
You're gonna be fine.
I don't like this feeling.
Yeah, I know. Okay, so.
Whoa!
Why are you touching the ends of the blue? You're supposed to stay in the middle.
Accident! There's no time.
Okay. Oh my. Let's go, Mikey.
I can do it. Let's go. You can do it. You can do it. You can do it.
Is it shifting back? Why? No, it's gonna be fine. Let's do it.
Okay. It's okay,
Yeah.
so
No, Mikey, you're gonna be fine. Is it possible to pass this?
Mm-hmm.
You're gonna be fine, Mikey.